Something right beside Schiphol? Not too expensive? Yeah. Today we're staying in the Citizen M hotel right beside Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam. It's a quirky place, but I like it. It's kind of retro. And when I say close, about a 6-minute walk to the international terminal, so very close. The rooms are very compact. This is the king room and it's about 14 metres squared. I paid about €130 for the night, which was substantially cheaper than anywhere else close to the airport. I will say this, the rooms are spotless, clean and fresh, no complaints there. The bed was pretty comfortable, a good size, firm, and I slept well after a walk around the city. The provided tablet controls everything, including the TV and blinds, and there are plenty of charging points available. There is a small shelving area and sink in the room, and an enclosed bathroom and shower area, which is surrounded by smoked glass. Again, the toilet and shower was clean and in good order when I got there. The shower had good pressure and lots of hot water. There were 2 bath towels and 2 face towels provided. The usual bottles are available: shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. They smelled nice and worked fine. The large tablet remote controlled everything. I was checking out the day and blackout blinds here. You can set them to allow some light in or no light in. The soundproofing is fairly good too. And here I was selecting channels to watch on TV. There was a good selection of channels available, some of them were in English. Some in English, including BBC World News, DW, France 24, BBC 1 and 2, BBC for Children. Also there was plenty of other channels and languages available too. The quirkiness factor continues in the room, with red tissue boxes and little red bookends. It's very Dutch, functional and fun. You can also set your mood on the tablet, and this will open or close blinds and set the lighting depending on the mood you pick. Very clever stuff. The moods can be set to focus on work or relax or help you fall asleep. It will be very helpful after a busy day travelling. One of the big positives of this room is that you're overlooking the airfield at Schiphol Airport, which is fantastic if you're into planes. I spent some of the time in the evening watching the planes come and go on a foggy winter's night in Amsterdam. So would I stay here again? Yes I would. The location is fantastic for the airport and there is a train service into the city, so if you want to go and have a look around. The rooms were clean and fresh, the Wi-Fi was fast and reliable, the staff were friendly and chatty. Okay, the rooms are a bit small and I wouldn't spend a week here, but for a night before a flight it's great and cheaper than any of the other hotels in the area. Don't forget to subscribe or you might miss the next flight out of Schiphol with Cathay Pacific. See you then.